Most people will never make money online, not because they are lazy, but because they are following the wrong system. You've probably seen videos like earn $1,000 per day, make money without doing anything. But after trying, nothing works, because nobody tells you the truth. Making money online is not about tricks, it's about building a system. Let me show you something. Why do most people fail to make money online? You'll notice one common reason. People jump from one method to another. No consistency, no system. That's why they fail. Imagine this. If you post random videos, no audience. If you have audience but no product, no money. If you have product but no traffic, still no money. That's why you need a system. The system is simple. YouTube to audience to product to money. That's it. And in this course, you are not going to chase money. You are going to build this system. Everything you will learn here is practical. You can start with zero experience. No camera, no team, no investment. Just a laptop and consistency. In the next video, I will show you exactly how this 10K system works and how you can build it step by step. Let's continue.